Bonjour, hola, good morning, good evening, or good afternoon. Today I'm going to talk to you about perimeter. Perimeter is the length around a shape. So, for example, if we have a triangle, let's say this is a picture of a pitch outside. Let's say it's 8 meters this way, 10 meters across the bottom, and 9 meters along there. The perimeter is simply the distance, the total distance you would run all the way around back to the start. So the perimeter, let's call it P, is equal to 8 meters plus 10 meters plus 9 meters. So that would be 1827 meters. It's simply the total distance or the total length around the edge. So let's see how to work out the area of a rectangle. So let's say this rectangle is 6 centimeters wide and 4 centimeters high. So the perimeter is the total length around the edge. The perimeter is going to be equal to 6 centimeters plus another 4 centimeters plus another 6 centimeters across the top plus another 4 centimeters going down this side again. So we have 6 plus 4 is 10, another 6 plus 4 is 10, giving us 20 centimeters. Now you might be able to think about a quicker way of working that out. Now let's think about the perimeter of another shape. Let's say a regular pentagon. So regular means that all the angles and all the sides are equal. A pentagon has 5 sides. Not a very good picture, I'm afraid, but all the sides are equal. And let's say the sides are 7 centimeters long each. Now what would be the quickest way of working out the perimeter of that pentagon? Remember, the perimeter means the total length around the edge. So we could do 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, but that wouldn't be very good maths. A quicker and better way of having 7 plus 7 plus 7, how many times? 5 times, would be 7 centimeters times 5, which would be 35 centimeters. Perimeter has got nothing to do with area. Let's go back to a rectangle again. So let's say this is 4 meters by 7 meters. Now, you're thinking area, 4 meters by 7 meters, that would be 28 meters squared. That's the two-dimensional space inside the rectangle. If you're good, you can play on the pitch, you can play on the area of the pitch. But if you're naughty, you'd have to run around the perimeter. So the perimeter is going to equal 7 meters plus 4 meters. And we're going to add another 7 meters and another 4 meters. So if we're smart, we'd actually take that and multiply by 2. So that's going to be 11 meters times 2, which is 22 meters. Which you simply could have done 7 plus 4 plus 7 plus 4. 22 meters, the length around the edge, or the perimeter. That has nothing to do with the area. So if you're good, you could run around the area of the pitch. That's this two-dimensional space inside the rectangle. So the area is 4 meters times 7 meters, which is 28 meters squared. So let's look at 2 more examples of perimeter. The perimeter of this triangle and the perimeter of the rectangle. Remember, the perimeter is the total length around the edge. So the perimeter is simply here 5 centimetres plus 3 centimetres plus 6 centimetres. Let's add that all up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 centimetres. That's just how far you would go going around the edge, the total length measured in centimetres. Now let's look at the rectangle. So for the rectangle, the perimeter is going to equal 8 metres plus 5 metres. Now do you remember last time I said we could double that? Let's just go back to saying plus another 8 metres plus another 5 metres. You can see it takes up a bit more space. 8 and 8 are 16, 26 metres. So the perimeter is the total length around the edge. You simply have to add up the lengths around the edge of your shape. Nothing to do with area. Now I'm going to give you a couple of examples to do before you try the worksheet. When I said a couple, I mean 3. Number 1 is a triangle. Number 2, you have a rectangle. And number 3 is a regular hexagon. So take a couple of minutes to work those out and show you're working properly. Okay, here are the answers. You can mark these yourself. So number 1, the perimeter of the triangle. The perimeter is 5 centimetres plus 6 centimetres plus 4 centimetres. We simply add those up. That's 10 plus 5 gives us 15 centimetres, just the length around the edge. So for the rectangle, the perimeter is 3 metres plus 9 metres, plus another 3 metres and another 9 metres. So we're going all the way around. So I'm going to cheat and multiply that by 2. Notice you have to have that in brackets. So 9, 10, 11, 12 times 2 gives us 24 metres. The last one, we have a regular hexagon. So all the sides are the same length. Each side is 4 centimetres. We have 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. How many 4s? The perimeter is 4 centimetres times 6, because a hexagon has 6 sides. 6 4s are 24 centimetres. Okay, have a go at the worksheet now, and remember this has nothing to do with area. Good luck.